Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Recipe Importer and MyFitnessPal app. So actually, if you want to lose weight or gain weight, or even you want to make a diet or a specific diet, you can use the MyFitnessPal app. It's so useful for these stuffs. And also this app, you can get it from the stores, the App Store and the Play Store, even the Xiaomi Store and the other stores that your device supports. So to do that, I just want you to launch your app after you get it. Alright, so once you launch it, alright, so sorry, I just need to finish some steps right here. Alright, so after you finish it, you will be on the home page or the dashboard. So where I want you to go, I want to go into these 3 points and on or in the bottom right corner it says more. So just tap on it, and right here, as you can see, you are in the middle of some options, but which option I want you to go through is that one. We see recipes, meals and food. Just tap on it, and right here, as you can see, we are on the recipes section. So you just need to go into create recipe right here. Once you tap on it, you'll be in the middle of two choices. Even you can add a recipe from the web, or you can enter it manually. So if your recipe is online, the app can automatically import the ingredients for you to review. It says, and if you can enter your recipe, you can just go with that one. So right here, as you can see, you need to name your recipe, and you need to enter the serving. Also, if you want to turn or to toggle on that option, it says bulk imports ingredients. You just need to add an ingredient per line right here, and then next, and it will be added. So this is how to use Recipe Importer and the app in MyFitnessPal. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.